birthday, Mommy.
Oh,
Happy birthday.
good girl.
Happy birthday to me.
Yes. Yeah, keep on singing. I love it.
Happy birthday, me.
Can you do more?
Happy birthday to me. To me.
You're gonna blow out the candle? Gotta make a wish.
Okay.
Okay, close your eyes and think of something you really, really want. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Gotta close your eyes and think of something you really, really want. Close your eyes. And then blow out the candle. Take a deep breath. And then go.
All done.
Yay!
Cake.
What did you wish for? Do you know what you wished for?
Cake.
I love you, baby. Uh-oh, watch over Mommy's tea.